welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Molly and I like to call myself the tanning expert here at Bondi Sands. Today I want to talk to you about our new range called Glow. So this is a body and face wash off product that is almost, it's got a cosmetic vibe. So it's a little bit different to things that we have done before, but we are so excited about this. I'm gonna take you through each product and show you how to use it, show you what it looks like. So there's 3 products in the range. We have a shimmer, we have a gloss, and we have a matte product. So now I'm going to go into each one of them and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to start off with the matte 1 Day Tan. So this is actually one of my favorites. It's kind of like our wash off. Do you remember our wash off spray? But I used to mix that with a gradual tanning product. And if you combine a moisturizer with our wash off tan, you're going to get this matte. And it is so good. So this is perfect for one night only. So say you haven't had time to tan, but you want to just get some extra color, you know, chuck a little bit of something on your legs so they don't look translucent, anything like that. This is what this is for. It is so, so good. So the best way to apply this, I would do it with a mitt, but you can also do it with a makeup brush as well. I'm going to start putting it on my skin so I can show you what it looks like. Oh, it smells good. Okay, so you can start to see this on my skin. It's just enhancing the tan that I do have. So I actually have the dark foam on underneath this, and it's just giving me a more even coverage, darker tan. It's actually glorious. This is what you'll be putting on last minute when you're having pre-drinks with your friends before you go out, I swear. So I'm just gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my body and then I'm gonna come in and show you what it looks like. Okay, lovers, so this is the final look. I have to say, I think this is my favorite product of all time. It leaves your skin flawless. So this is the matte finish. It just makes everything even. If you've got a bit of a dodgy tan or uneven skin tone, this just, it's almost like a foundation for your skin. It's my new best friend. So yeah, this is the look. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do the shimmer. So shimmer is the yellow one, and I'm really excited to show you guys this because it makes your skin look flawless. This is really good because it's also for your face and it's also for your body. You'll know when you smell this, it kind of has like a more of a makeup smell, a cosmetic smell to it as opposed to a fake tan smell. Also, I want to mention all of the products, they're transfer resistant. So you can put it on if you go outside and it's raining or a little bit of a splash gets on you, you're not going to stain. You really need to get in the shower and soap yourself up to get it off. All of these products are so good. Like if you have some uneven tan on your hands or, you know, even out your face because you didn't tan your face, these products are great for that, like for a one night only thing. I'll show you what the shimmer looks like. Let's get started. Putting it onto my skin now. The shimmer is going to give you more of like an luminous, glistening finish. So it's such a good finishing product after you've put tan on, washed it off, and then you put this on top and it kind of, if you can see that on my skin, we'll cut to it, but it's a sheen. It honestly, it's almost like a blur. It blurs out everything. And you are just glowing, girl. You are glowing. So as you can see, it's almost like an luminous finish. It makes your skin look glorious. I can't get enough of this, and I feel like this mixed into foundation is going to be another one of my favorite things to do as well. Okay, so let's wash this off and I'll try the gloss. Okay guys, so the final product in the Glow range is gloss. So gloss is just like the name suggests. It is going to give you a highly reflective, glossy finish. So I'm just gonna jump straight in and show you what it looks like on the skin because I feel like that will explain everything for you. So it kind of gives you like, almost like a little bit of a wet look, I wanna say. It's a lot more glossy, a lot more shiny as the shimmer. The shimmer's kind of, I would describe it as a sheen, whereas this is high shine. Okay guys, so that's the gloss. How good does it look? I know I keep saying this after every single product that it's my favorite, but I honestly think this is my favorite. Maybe I can just say the whole range is my favorite because honestly, it looks so good on your skin. I am so happy with it. Now let's just look at 3 swatches all together to compare the 3 looks. So for the first swatch, we have our matte One Day Tan. This is perfect for that flawless finish. For the second swatch, we have our Shimmer One Day Tan. This is great for that subtle shine and glimmer. And for the last swatch, we have our Gloss Finishing Glow. This is for that extra sheen, the glossiest look out of the lot. So there we have it guys, there is our whole glow range. We are so excited about this. I am so glad you got to see what every single one looked like on the skin. If you have any questions about any of the products, drop them below. I'll do my best to answer them all. Also, don't forget to show us all your results on social media, tag us, do a video, we will repost it. We love videos at the moment. We want everybody to try this glow range and we want you to see how good it is for yourself. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in, lovers. As always, mwah, happy tanning.